Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX Copper today and for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week. The chart which you are seeing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. These vertical dotted lines indicates the price opening and closing for the respective days. Now let us see what happened last week. We all know that it is very clear the copper, you can see copper was taking a very strong support around 436. As I told you, whenever I place the cursor, you can see the date and time below. On 21st it took the support, next again 24th, then it tried to break the support. So these are the price actions that happened last week, which is very clear that copper maintained a support around 436. But we cannot deny the fact that copper was also taking a very good resistance around 442. So many times the price was testing 442 and there was a failure. What happened was that on 29th, you can see the market came down again. It couldn't sustain below 436, so it went up and closed around 438. So the next day, that was on 30th, the price tried and break the average. For after a very long time, the price tried and it stayed above the average. So you can that created a lot of buying. So having 436, if you go back and see the presentation which we had posted on 29th, we made it very clear that copper can take a support and the trend can reverse. So if you have any doubt, you can go back on 29th presentation which we had posted about copper and you can clarify that. So the price stayed above the average, it broke, but what happened is that after staying on 30th, the market was resisted here. So this 442 still acted as a resistance. The next day the price broke this and it went up till 445. But what is this 446? We cannot underestimate this 446. Now let us go back and see. So after failing to stay above 446, the price fell down from 14/1/2013. You can see that. So the market failed to sustain this 446. That caused a failure. So that pushed the price down. This was the scenario. Now the price is again trying to test 446. So it went up near 445. So as we always say, support and resistance is a zone, it is not a single line. So if the market gave some resistance and the price came down, again it was supported by the average, so it stopped there. The next day after the price opening, the market straight away went and tested this 442. You may notice that this 442 is now acting as a resistance again. You can see the market provided a resistance here. On Friday also it provided a resistance here, then it came down, but since it was supported with the average, you can see the same price action. From here the market picked the momentum. So in the same way, around 439 the market gathered momentum and it went up. It found a resistance around 442, then it went up and stayed above that. So the price closed near the week high. So last week high was nearly around 444.9, 444.8 approximately. So what we can do today, there is no doubt in the trend. So as we all know this, the trend, the market gave a very good momentum the last few hours on Friday. So we don't have any doubt the possible price opening for today can be around 443 and 444 itself. So the price is also expected to open near the same zone. So today also we are expecting copper to continue its uptrend, maintaining 442 as a very good support. In order for the copper to sustain its buying, it should maintain 442 as a support. If the price fails below, it doesn't indicate that the market is going to reverse its trend, but the buying can be weakened. So again it will come down and test the average and everything will happen. If the price sustains 442 today, again it will have a test to 446. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Today also we are expecting copper to continue and stay in buying, having 442, and till 436 copper can stay in buying. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.